I'd like to talk to you today about how to install these securement clips that go on the underside of your hull, which are used to then secure the deck by putting the machine screws on the inside. What you can see here is they go in these slots and just press them up like that, and then you put your deck on and bolt right through. Now the reason I'm talking about this is because there's a number of these in your hull, and there's one of them back here. Problem is with the one back here is because of this exhaust hose and some other components back here, it's extremely difficult to get your hand back up underneath there to fixture not only this one, but certainly this one back here at the back. That's the problem one. So here's the way you fixture that. If you try to hold this like this and hold it this way, you can't get your hand back up in there to fixture it right. It keeps falling off. And so what you want to do is you want to go ahead and get yourself some tape. And what you do is you tape that to your fingers. And now what you can do is you can reach your hand back up in there and you can get that thing slotted through the slot here and fixture it in the slot, and then you just wiggle your fingers and the tape will come off. I'll show you for right here how you know kind of how it works. Do it like that, and then you can, what you do is you take that like that, and then you put this through here, okay, and that holds it, and then you can take that away, and now your little adapter is set. Once again, it's the one at the rear that's real hard. The others are pretty easy, but if you have any problems with these two, you can use this technique also, but certainly for this right back here.